We're here today to show you your American Brother Designs color matched interior knob kit installation demonstration. Once you receive your interior kit, you will notice there are 12 knobs. You have 2 climate control knobs, 1 power radio knob, 1 fan knob, 1 radio tuner knob, 1 windshield washer knob, 1 four-wheel drive knob, 1 light control knob, and 4 door lock pins. Now I will show you how easy it is to press your interior kit knobs over the current factory knobs. Locate each knob in the position that it goes to and just firmly press As you can see, it's quite easy. And just make sure that it is flush to the face of the knob. As you can see, the installation is complete, and now you have a very good looking center console. To continue our installation demonstration, we move to the left side of the dash and we locate our four-wheel drive button, light button, and windshield washer button. Each knob, as far as the four-wheel drive and the light goes, one has a line grooved on the inside of it. That will be your light button. Firmly press it on to its location over your factory knob. Then locate your four-wheel drive. Firmly press that on as well. Then grab your windshield washer knob and just firmly press that on as well. That completes the installation demonstration for your center console.